Today we're gonna show you how to shoot a nerf gun. Well, you already know that. But first of all, I modded a nerf bullet to make it a little stronger, and a little more deadly. So here we go. This is called the toothpick pellet, baby. I'm a new toothpick dart. What you do is get a toothpick first of all. You know, stick it in there all the way. Make sure you do that. Put it in. Shoot. Pull back, and then see right here. It didn't stick, but it's still good enough. I'll show you what it is. It's right there. But you know it's good enough, and scroll down underneath the link, and see you guys later. Bye.